Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel RJP TechTube. In this video, I would like to share the information based on WhatsApp new update, that is WhatsApp message disappearing feature. WhatsApp became the world's most popular messaging application by 2015 and has over 2 billion users worldwide as of February 2020. In India, over 90% smartphone users already using this app for communication purpose. In that, only few know the new updated feature, that is WhatsApp disappearing message feature. If you didn't seen this feature in your WhatsApp application, then please update your WhatsApp application from Play Store. Now let's show you how to enable or disable the disappearing messages in WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp, select the contact, tap on profile name. Now tap on disappearing messages. Now turn on the disappearing message setting. As you can see here, both of you will get notifications of enabling disappearing message setting. Turning on this setting will make new messages disappear from this chart only after 7 days. They can still save these messages by taking screenshots of this or forwarding these messages to someone, so 50% of this feature is useless. So now how to disable this feature? Tap here again, turn off the setting. As you can see here, now message will not disappear after 7 days. Please comment your opinion about WhatsApp disappearing message feature on comment section, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit that bell icon for more upcoming videos. If you liked this video, then please drop like and please share with your friends and family so that they can also know these features. Thank you for watching, guys.